Create a series object by passing dictionary. Dictionary क्या है? It is a data type and it is a sequence data type. It is a set of key value pairs separated by comma and enclosed inside curly braces. आप जब भी डिक्शनरी क्रिएट करते हैं तो आप की वैल्यू पेयर देंगे and you will enclose it or you will keep it inside the curly brace. As we are creating a series, so this bracket is important, and inside that curly braces, A, B, C are the keys, 10, 20, 30 are the values, and the data type is int. The question is create a series object using a dictionary that stores the salary of employees in ABC organization. It carries 2 marks. It can come in CBSE board exams. This is a sample question. So we will see how to create a series object using dictionary in Jupyter Notebook. So we have to write the import statement, import Pandas as PD. Then we have to create, if we are creating salary series object, then we will write salary equal to PD. You can name it with any valid identifier, but I have taken it as salary. Then you may put brackets, then you put curly braces, and here you can give any name for the employees, like the value of the salary will be 10,000. Then Anu, the value will be 20,000, and then Sham, the value of salary will be 30,000. And now you will print the salary object.